Welcome to Java Forum. Now I am going to show you how to make use of template directory or templates folder in Rocky Linux 9 operating systems. Go to your home directory in GUI mode. So here you can see the templates directory is there. So what is the usage of this template directory? So if you have any reusable code or reusable content or repeated content or reusable content in multiple documents, this template directory will be useful for you. So first time what I am doing, I am creating one text file, okay, which will be used for Java file. So each and every time when I create one Java file, I need to type the class name with public static void main string args. Okay. So instead of typing each and every time, so I am typing this public static void main method in to a template file. So this is a template file. So I am saving this file. So java template.txt. So I am going to save this file under templates directory. Okay. Now come out of this directory, right click in context menu. Okay, you can see that templates is available, Java template text is available. So I am going to rename this file demo.java. Okay, that's it. So now I am opening the template file. I am going to edit the template file accordingly. So demo is the class file name. So public static void main string arguments, everything is there already. Just I am typing the content. I mean that unique content. Okay, repeated content will be there. So this is a unique content. That's it. So this is a usage of the templates directory. So now I am going to show you once again for HTML. Okay, so HTML will have multiple tags. Okay, so HTML template.txt. So every HTML file will have HTML body tag. So instead of typing HTML body tag each and every time, so I am typing this HTML and body tag inside one template file. So whenever I create the HTML files, I will make use of this template, HTML template.txt. So come out of the home directory, right click, new document. You can see that HTML template is appearing. So just click that. So now I am going to edit this file and rename it as a HTML file. That's it. Now I am going to edit the content. So just I am going to add the content inside the body tag. That's it. No need to type HTML body every time. Okay. So this template directory feature will be useful for mostly will be useful for developers, because developers are using reusable code and reusable content. So for some content creator also this feature will be useful. Make sure that you are using this feature in Rocky Linux 9 also. Make sure that your template files are saved under templates directory. That is very important. Okay.